So hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we will discuss about how a stock is rising, right? And how, a live example I'll give you of live, market going on as well. So let's start. First of all, this just a disclaimer that this is just for educational purposes. It is not an investment or a trading advice, so please take advice from your financial advisor. And second, that please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will get awesome videos about finance, markets, business, case studies, and tech. It's a growing channel, so your support is very much needed. So go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, as much as you can. Give me constructive feedback about what all videos do you need. I'm also creating, wonderful playlists for you so that you can understand that how is, markets do function, or the business environment in India, how is it growing. So let's deep dive into today's video. So this is a stock that we have taken of Ola Electric, which has given us a lot of candlestick charts. First of all, what I'll start today with the line chart, which will give you a fundamental analysis of how it is, how it went down first, right? So you see this from this level, the 147 level, the stock just crossed down and went up till how much? Let's say for now 40 is when it sort of went down. And so this is August of which year, 2024, when it got a high of 147 around prox. And then it started rolling down because of multiple news factors and everything, and it went down till a low of, let's see where's the low. So here is the low of 39, which is around, let's say, 40 rupees approx. So from 140 to 40, what changed? You see now, what has happened is that it was making lower lows, right? So यहाँ पे मैं बना देता हूँ lower lows का section. So the stock was making lower lows, okay, and then there were lower highs as well. If you see, this is a lower high. So what's a lower high again? It is a low, it is a high, right? It went high, right? This section. So from 107.61 it went up to 117, but you see it's a high, but it is lower than the previous high, which was 127. So this concept is called a lower high, which gives us an understanding where the stock is in a downward trend. So in a downward trend, what the stock will do a lower high and lower lows, right? Now you move to again the stock rose in to how much is the price is 92, right? तो इसके बाद क्या हुआ, that the price went up and then again slided. This was the slide that came, okay, and then the price continuously fell, and there was no upside to it. But what has changed? You see, now I'll bring in the candle chart for you, which will give you an ultimate analysis of how does a stock rise when there is a price change. So we have seen, let's say this is a runway. I'll make a small analogy for you. Okay, this is a runway. Rather, what I'll do for you is, let's say this is a runway, right? जो plane take off करता है, right? So this is the runway. Now what it does is that the plane has just taken off from here. So analogy ये थी that the plane has taken off, and यहाँ से जब plane take off किया तो यहाँ से, just give me a moment. So you see price climbed up from, let's say, if this was the runway and a plane takeoff. So when do we have to enter the market? We have to enter the market when the price has taken off, right, from let's say the runway part to the takeoff part. So if I do a marking over here, right, this is the marking. ठीक है, दिस इज द मार्किंग. और जो टेक ऑफ यहाँ से किया है इस प्राइस ने, वो सीधा ऊपर की तरफ ही गया है ना. And so this is where you enter the market. So this is what we have shown today, that when the price sort of increases, when does it increase? When there is a high probability that the stock will go up, and from here the stock rises up. And the technique that you use is when you study the market structure first, you understand where is the lower low happening, where is the higher high, so you see this has taken off. So the price has just taken off. It's just going like haywire from, let's say, 18th of August. This was at 41.95, around 42 rupees, and now it is at 67. So this is a very good channel. It's a upward trend now, right? This is an upward trend. So when you see this upward trend, it means that the stock keeps on rising. It keeps on redefining the higher highs. And this is how you understand the market structure. See, profit making and making money is a secondary thing. I always say that the first thing that you require is the understanding of the market. Where is the market structure going? Where is it? And how does it understand the how does it move? Understanding the market structure, understanding the moves of the market. तो ये सब समझना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, rather than just giving in to emotions and उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम चलेंगे कि आज ये स्टॉक बढ़ गया तो चलो इसमें इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. सी, दिस इज़ अ वेरी क्रूड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द मार्केट. क्योंकि आपको चाहिए क्या? यू नीड गुड एनालिसिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर इज द मार्केट गोइंग एंड देन पुट इन योर मनी, राइट? कमिंग बैक, दिस इज वॉट is required. So that is why I've made these things for you, so to understand better. So let's delete all the drawings now. So you see also how is the price moving, right? This is where the market has taken off. Now I'll tell you one more concept of the trending market, right? I'll cover this in detail in another video, but first I'll let you know that what does this entail, right? So if we make a channel over here again, so again you see what is happening closely, that the market has gone up, right? But there are higher highs now. So these are higher highs that has taken up, right? So it's a trending market. You can see clearly. It's basically a trending market. Rather, I'll add a text box over here. So you see, this is the trending market. In this market, it is very easy that you get in. And if I also tell you, different market structures inside, it will take you to Review sections. Let's say if you go to a 4 hourly chart, it will tell you that where is the market going, in terms of 4 hourly, so that you also understand the structure of the market. So see, this is the 4 hourly market, right? So in 4 hourly as well, the price has been increasing, like manifold, and that is what is required in a trending market. We require it because the structure of the market is now in a bullish trend. So once a bullish trend kicks in, you see higher highs, and then you see reversal. So this is the reversal pattern, guys. ये जो पैटर्न आप देख रहे हो, इस कैंडल को अगर हम सिर्फ ड्रॉ करें और समझें कि ये क्या है, दिस इज़ द रिवर्सल पैटर्न, ठीक है। और इस रिवर्सल पैटर्न में आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिलेंगी. You will get to see. So this candle defines, the market is now being reversed, and that is why from the bearish trend it went up to a bullish trend. Right, so this is what is required to understand the whole market structure. I'll make a detailed video again. The next video is coming is on trending market. We'll again take this as an example, and hope you like this video. It was a very fruitful video for me as well, to teach you and to make you understand how does market works, and purely for educational purposes. I don't have any hidden agenda, etc. So please do like and subscribe, and tell me how you like the video. Thank you so much, guys. See you next time.